By late May, there will be enough vaccine for every American who wants one. The problem is, millions don't.
I'm not getting the vaccine because I'm honestly not scared of the virus.
I don't trust the vaccine at all.
Polls suggest a large number of Americans will refuse a vaccine. Most of them are Republicans, supporters of former President Donald Trump.
How some groups would not want to do it for reasons that I just don't understand.
While only 11% of Democrats said they would refuse a vaccine, that number rises to 41% of Republicans, including half of Republican men, enough to potentially keep the U.S. from reaching herd immunity.
We're just going to still be living with COVID precautions. We're going to be living with cases, and we're still going to be living with people getting severely ill and dying of COVID-19.
There are things we don't know about the effects of this vaccine.
Conservative audiences have been bombarded with vaccine misinformation.
Get vaccinated.
While former President Trump was the only one of the 5 living past presidents not to get vaccinated on camera. This week, he broke his silence and admitted there's a problem.
I would recommend it to a lot of people that don't want to get it, and a lot of those people voted for me, frankly.
In fact, the vaccines were developed with the support of the Trump administration. 2 of the 3 shots used in the U.S. were given FDA approval while Trump was still president.
It's clear that the virus doesn't care whom you voted for or if you voted at all. And therefore, we would like to extend the protection of the vaccines to as many people as possible.
The Biden administration is planning a $1.5 billion campaign to promote vaccine acceptance. Much of the messaging will focus on having trusted community leaders sell the safety of the shots in an urgent push to take the politics out of the biggest public health effort in a generation. Jackson Proskow, Global News, Washington.